Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are seeing our wife number 5. Oh, girl can roll her eyes. She can literally win a competition of rolling her eyes because she's like whatever. She's like, oh my gosh, OMG. Like, she gives the bombastic side eye. Like, she is the queen of rolling her eyes. Like, whatever into abayikhuluma nje, she goes like, oh God, what have I got myself in? Every 2 minutes she's like, oh, what have I gotten myself into? Kulamakhehla namakhehlakazi aloku athetha okungapheliko. They're doing things slowly and doing things in their time. Can they get over it already? She literally, like, in every episode, like every moment she gets, she will roll her eyes. Like, every moment she gets, she will roll those eyes. Bana, why you thinking? Yo, I am so over this. Can we get it done and over with already? Ah, that attitude. The flames in you, girl. It's too hot. Too hot. Looking all beautiful and smiles. She is gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at those eyes. No wonder she rolls them every chance she gets. Love it. Love it. I love it for the eye rolling, guys. Like, it's my best. What do you guys think? Do you like it when Samke rolls her eyes? Don't forget to like and share. Bye.